President Donald Trump enacted 25% tariffs on Canada and Mexico while also doubling the tariff on Chinese goods to 20% today, a move that will have immediate impacts on consumers and businesses. The Trump administration said the tariffs were necessary to stem the flow of fentanyl into the United States. But the tariffs threaten to raise the prices Americans pay for a wide array of goods that are imported from the three nations. Over 40% of the goods America imported last year came from Canada, Mexico, and China. Following Trump's increase in tariffs, Canada's Prime Minister Justin Trudeau announced retaliatory tariffs on some American goods on Tuesday. China also immediately retaliated with tariffs on U.S. goods, threatening to ignite a damaging trade war. Mexico said it would announce retaliatory measures on Sunday. U.S. stocks whipsawed Tuesday after Trump's tariffs went into effect. After dropping by around 800 points in the morning, the Dow recouped its losses before plunging at the end of trading to close lower by around 670 points, or 1.55%, at 42,521. The broader S&P 500 fell 1.22% and the Nasdaq Composite fell 0.35%, paring some of its losses after dipping into correction territory earlier. American retailers and farmers have already raised concerns about how the increase in tariffs will adversely impact them and consumers. Here's what industry experts are saying. U.S. retailers, two of America's largest retailers, Target and Best Buy, warned that prices will increase following Trump's tariffs on imported goods from Mexico, Canada, and China. Those import taxes sit atop existing tariffs on hundreds of billions in Chinese goods. Target CEO Brian Cornell said in an interview with CNBC that Trump's tariffs on Mexico may force the company to raise prices on fruits and vegetables as soon as this week. Target also said that tariff uncertainty will impact its profit this quarter. Best Buy also expects tariffs to cause prices to rise. China and Mexico are the top sources for consumer electronics at Best Buy. The company expects its vendors to pass along some tariff costs to retailers, making price increases for American consumers highly likely. Farmers, American Farm Bureau Federation President Zippy Duvall warned that the tariffs will take a toll on rural America. Canada and China's retaliatory tariffs of 25%, 15%, and 10% take aim directly at U.S. agricultural products like corn, soy, beef, dairy, and poultry. Last year, the U.S. exported more than $83 billion in agricultural products to China, Canada, and Mexico, according to the Farm Bureau. In 2018, during the first Trump administration, the U.S. Department of Agriculture had to set up a market facilitation program for farmers to offset financial losses on their crops due to China's retaliatory tariffs.